But what if she says no? That's where most men fumble. They sulk, they pull back, they get bitter. But here's your power move: stay calm, stay kind, stay grounded. Say, "I completely understand. I love being around you." No pressure at all. And mean it, because when you let her feel safe saying no, without being punished for it, you become unforgettable. You become the rare man who honors her boundaries while still desiring her. And that makes her want to come closer in the future. This is what stoic control looks like. Now, let's wrap with this. Want to be the man who effortlessly inspires connection? Then stop chasing. Start inviting. Lead with calm presence, not clever lines. Your desire is not the problem. Your attachment to the outcome is. Let go of it. Trust the process. Ask for intimacy like a stoic king, grounded, clear, inviting. And whether it happens or not, you remain whole. You remain masculine. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below. What's one mindset shift you'll apply the next time you feel close to a woman? And if you're hungry for more tools on dating psychology, emotional mastery, and the stoic approach to intimacy, watch the next video. It's waiting for you. This is what I call the stoic masculine frame. Solid, unshaken, fully present. Here's a simple psychological trick. Don't ask, invite. And don't invite her to sex. Invite her to share a moment of deeper emotional resonance. Use language that evokes curiosity and connection. Try this. There's something in our energy tonight that makes me wonder what we're holding back. I don't want to rush anything, but I'd rather be honest. I feel so drawn to you right now. You're beautiful, but more than that, you make me feel here. I want to explore this with you at your pace. Do you feel the difference? It's not about manipulation, it's about authenticity. And that's what opens her up. Because when a woman feels emotionally free, she becomes physically open. Most men skip this emotional foreplay and then wonder why they're being ghosted. Here's another truth. Words are powerful, but energy is louder. You could say all the right things, but if your body is tense, your voice shaky, and your eyes darting around, she'll feel your fear before your words even land. Women are energetic lie detectors. They pick up on subtle signals. So, what should you bring instead? A calm voice, steady, relaxed body language, unrushed eye contact, a willingness to let silence do the heavy lifting. This is stoic charisma. Be comfortable with pauses. Let her feel the space you're creating. That space is safety. Now, let's talk about emotional safety. You can't ask a woman to be vulnerable if she's in fight or flight mode. Bring her into trust. Listen more than you talk. Touch gently, not as a move, but as a reflection of your emotion. Validate her experience without analyzing it. And always stay grounded, open, but never desperate. Say this: take your time. I'll follow your pace. I just want to be real with you. That honesty goes deeper than any line ever could. Because in the end, she's not looking for sex. She's searching for a connection. One deep enough that physical intimacy simply becomes the natural next step. Have you ever felt that silent fear creeping in? The moment you want to be close, but you're frozen? You want to ask for intimacy, but deep down, you're terrified of being rejected. You're not alone. Most men don't struggle because they lack desire. They struggle because they don't know how to express that desire in a way that feels strong, grounded, and natural. Today, we're diving into the psychology of feminine desire, the stoic approach to emotional and physical connection, and one subtle shift that could make her feel safe enough to open up without pressure. Stay with me. This one might just transform the way you love. Let's begin with a simple but powerful truth. Women don't say yes to intimacy because of your appearance, your words, or even your money. They say yes when they feel emotionally seen, genuinely desired, and completely safe. Not when they feel analyzed, not when they feel controlled. When she feels emotionally aligned with you, intimacy follows naturally. That, my friend, is emotional intelligence. Here's your first key. Emotional alignment is the real doorway to connection. Women aren't wired to respond to logical sales pitches for intimacy. They're emotionally attuned. They feel your vibe more than they hear your words. It's in your tone, your eye contact, the calmness of your presence. When you say, "So, you want to come over tonight?" it can feel like a transaction, not a connection, like you're buying her time, not sharing a moment. So, what's the better way? It's not about asking for anything. It's about creating an emotional space where she naturally leans toward you. This is where Stoicism becomes your greatest tool. Stoic men understand that they don't control the outcome, they only control their energy, their presence, and their intention. When you approach intimacy detached from the result, you radiate strength. That's attractive. Here's why that works. Neediness repels. Groundedness draws her in. A stoic man doesn't plead. He doesn't push. He invites. He holds space. He doesn't try to convince her. He allows her. You're not asking for permission. You're offering an opportunity. And whether she says yes or no, you remain whole. That's the kind of emotional security that makes a woman feel safe. Desire her, but never need her to validate who you are.